I want to show you really quickly how to take the math assessment. So I'm hoping that you watch this video first. It says watch this video first on how to take the math assessment, because I really want you to be able to not know how to do it be the problem when you know the math. So you're going to click on Start New Attempt, and every question you are able to draw. And so the first thing that you can do is you can play the directions.
Find the area of the shape below.
So I've read all the directions to you, and then what you're going to do is once you click on this, you can draw on it. And so if you need to draw to be able to find the area of the triangles, then you can do that. Now there's some where it says on this one you have to draw a rectangle with an area of 16 square units. You can use red, you can use blue, you can use whatever you want to draw on it, and just draw like that. And you're going to make sure that it has 16 square units. You can keep going to the next problem on this one. 24 divided by 4, you have to solve the problem. You have to draw a picture of what it looks like. Remember, equal groups. You have to show your thinking in another way. So you can solve it another way. You can solve them in 3 different ways. And then do your best to write a word problem. We had several word problems on our homework assignments that were division. So you could use one of them as an example. On this one, this is a story problem that I've read to you in the play. And you need to solve it showing your work here. So draw pictures, do whatever you need to do. Good luck on this.